Titanic movie. Idioms and phrases. Part 3 of 10. 5 idioms or phrases. Cherry on the cake means an additional small but pleasant. Easy as ABC means something is very simple and straightforward. A piece of cake means something is very easy. A hard nut to crack means a problem or a person that is difficult to understand. Easy as pie means something is very simple and effortless. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, part 3 of 10. Meeting Jack was like the blank for Rose's unexpected journey on the ship. Cherry on the cake, easy as ABC, a hard nut to crack. For the experienced sailors, steering the ship should have been blank. Easy as ABC, a hard nut to crack, cherry on the cake. Surviving the freezing water was not a blank for most people. Piece of cake, easy as pie, easy as ABC. Trying to open the locked gate was a blank for Jack and Rose. Hard nut to crack, it is a piece of cake, easy as ABC. Dancing with Jack felt blank for Rose, very natural and simple. Easy as pie, a hard nut to crack, cherry on the cake. Pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie answer key, part 3 of 10. Meeting Jack was like the cherry on the cake for Rose's unexpected journey on the ship. Reason, cherry on the cake means an additional small but pleasant. For the experienced sailors, steering the ship should have been easy as ABC. Reason, easy as ABC means something is very simple and straightforward. Surviving the freezing water was not a piece of cake for most people. Reason, a piece of cake means something is very easy. Trying to open the locked gate was a hard nut to crack for Jack and Rose. Reason, a hard nut to crack means a problem or a person that is difficult to understand. Dancing with Jack felt easy as pie for Rose, very natural and simple. Reason, easy as pie means something is very simple and effortless. Like, comment and subscribe.